Hello there, all you healthy hustlers out there in YouTube land. Welcome back to our channel Health Utopia. We always trying to keep your plates bright and your health even brighter. Before we delve in, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving deep into quick and healthy 5-minute weight loss meal ideas. So, if you are short on time, we got you covered. Let's start the countdown and let us begin. First up, we have our Go Green with Avocado Toast. This avocardio meal is jam-packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats from avocados. And don't forget about the whole grains in the bread, full of fiber that's going to keep your tummy full for longer. Just remember, you are what you eat. So if you eat an avocado, does that make you a super cool, health-conscious person? We'll let you decide. Now we move to scramble your way to fitness. It's nothing but good old scrambled eggs with spinach. Egg yolks are nature's multivitamin, giving you everything from vitamin B12 for brain health to vitamin D for strong bones. Spinach? Well, we all know how Popeye felt about it. Just remember not to down a can of it before a date. You don't want to end up with green teeth. Our next champion is the smoothie operator. This recipe is a very good way to start your day. It's high in antioxidants, vitamin C from the berries, and calcium from the Greek yogurt. Just remember it's a smoothie, not a milkshake. So don't milk the yogurt too much. And finally, we have our quicker quinoa salad. Quinoa isn't just a fancy word. It's a superfood full of plant-based protein and fiber, helping you feel fuller for longer. Just don't let the quinoa get to your head. Remember, a quinoa a day keeps the hunger away. And there you have it, folks. 4 quick, healthy 5-minute meals that don't break the clock or your waistline. So next time, when you're in a hurry, don't resort to fast food. Remember, you've got these fun, speedy meals at your disposal. If you tried any of these recipes, do share your experience in the comments section below. And if you got your own lightning-fast, health-packed meal ideas, do share them with us. Till then, remember to take life with a grain of salt, plus a slice of lemon, and a shot of tequila. Stay healthy, stay happy.